Hello, hello, hello. I am here to try this Evolution Fresh Organic Super Fruit Greens, which has orange, mango, pineapple, cucumber, celery, spinach, and romaine. It's a cold-pressed fruit and vegetable juice smoothie, USDA organic, non-GMO. And it looks like 150 calories for one serving, which is one bottle. So this is the item, and I'm a little nervous to try it, to be honest with you. It's got a lot of ingredients in it. Those ingredients I enjoy on their own, but collectively together, I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm gonna make sure to shake this up really good. I'll look and see if I can find any kind of link for this or information or something. And if I can, I'll put it below. If you've ever tried this, let me know what you thought of it. Lisa, can we go open this? It's definitely sealed. Thank you. And if you have not ever tried this, are you a fan of green drinks in general? Whether they be juices or smoothies. Okay, I can tell you right off the bat, the smell is pretty green. What is it that I'm smelling exactly? The romaine I'm smelling the spinach, I'm smelling the cucumber, and I'm probably smelling a little bit of the pineapple, I'm guessing. Here we go. Cheers. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, well, the pineapple definitely is on the end with a tartness. It kind of gives you a little uppercut right in the old kisser. I'm still like getting a little bit of like the, I guess it would be the orange, or maybe the pineapple, because you can definitely get that citrusiness of it. Ugh. If you've ever tried cucumber juice and that bite that cucumber has when you just drink cucumber juice straight up, this has that. I don't think I could drink this whole thing, even like really like trying to force myself. But if you're looking to get like a whole bunch of vitamins and, you know, healthy stuff, if you're good at chugging stuff that maybe in your flavor preference, then yeah, I'd say this is something that's small enough you could probably chug it pretty quick. I'm kind of surprised they didn't add ginger to this mix, because usually these types of things throw in ginger. And ginger might actually help calm some of that citrus and like bring it back a little bit. But yeah, I won't be buying this again. I would recommend it for anyone who is a fan of green drinks and who is used to kind of that bite, bitter, sharp,
plant bitter taste.
Yeah, like kick that they have. But yeah, if you're not into that stuff, this probably is going to be one that you're going to want to skip. So, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've tried this, if you have, what you thought. And if you haven't, do you like green drinks? And if you do, this may be for you. Until the next one, bye.